Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into the fascinating world of Unilever, a multinational company with a rich history and global influence. Get ready to uncover some lesser-known facts and aspects about this consumer goods giant. Let's get started. Unilever may be a household name, but do you know how it all began? The roots of Unilever trace back to 1929 when Lever Brothers and Margarine Uni merged to form the company we know today. But did you know that Lever Brothers was initially founded by William Hesketh Lever back in 1885? Lever was not only a successful businessman but also a social innovator, pioneering initiatives such as providing employee benefits, promoting hygiene, and advocating for women's rights. It's incredible to see how this company has evolved over the years, staying true to its founding principles. When we think of Unilever, certain brands come to mind instantly. But did you know that Unilever owns over 400 brands? While we are familiar with popular names like Dove, Lipton, and Axe, there are many hidden gems in their portfolio waiting to be discovered. For example, they have iconic ice cream brands like Ben & Jerry's and Walls, as well as household cleaning products such as Domestos and CIF. Unilever's brand diversity ensures that they cater to a wide range of consumer needs and preferences, maintaining their position as a market leader in various sectors. Unilever takes its commitment to sustainability seriously. They believe in making a positive impact on the planet and society. But what are the specific initiatives and goals they have set? Let's delve into Unilever's Sustainable Living Plan, which focuses on areas such as reducing environmental impact, enhancing livelihoods, and promoting social responsibility. Through this plan, Unilever aims to have its environmental footprint, including carbon emissions and water usage, while also improving the health and well-being of over 1 billion people by 2020. They actively engage in responsible sourcing, waste reduction, and initiatives to empower women in their supply chain. We'll uncover some inspiring projects and achievements along the way, highlighting their dedication to sustainable business practices. Unilever is not just a company that follows trends, it also sets them. They invest heavily in research and development to bring innovative and groundbreaking products to the market. For instance, they are pioneers in sustainable packaging solutions, exploring alternatives to single-use plastics and introducing recycled materials in their packaging. Unilever is also focused on developing products that address emerging consumer needs, such as plant-based alternatives and products that promote health and well-being. Through collaborations with scientific institutions and startups, they continue to push the boundaries of innovation and pave the way for a more sustainable and inclusive future. Unilever's impact is felt worldwide, but how far does its reach extend? Let's take a virtual tour across continents to see the diverse markets where Unilever operates. From Asia to Africa, Europe to the Americas, and Oceania, Unilever has a significant presence. Each region brings its own set of opportunities and challenges, and Unilever adapts its strategies accordingly. For example, in emerging markets, they focus on affordability, catering to local preferences and meeting the needs of a diverse consumer base. In developed markets, they emphasize product innovation, sustainability, and engaging with socially conscious consumers. We'll explore some of the specific initiatives and campaigns tailored to different regions, showcasing how Unilever connects with consumers on a global scale. Unilever is not just a company, it's a conglomerate of stories, innovations, and positive change. Today, we delved into some unknown aspects of Unilever, exploring its history, diverse brand portfolio, sustainability initiatives, innovations, and global impact. From its humble beginnings to its present-day global influence, Unilever continues to shape the consumer goods industry with its commitment to sustainability, innovation, and social responsibility. I hope you enjoyed this journey of discovery. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others.